Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss what to do if your YouTube channel receive a copyright strike. Let's start the video and go through the process step by step. The most crucial step is to complete the copyright school because until you complete the copyright school, the strike will not be removed. Now let's discuss another thing. How does a copyright strike happen? If a copyright violation strike is sent to your channel, it means that the owner of the copyright has submitted a legal request to remove the video due to copyright violation. This happened because you have used copyrighted content without permission. When we receive a request to remove the video due to copyright violation, we review it. If the request to remove the video is valid, we are required to remove your video from YouTube under the copyright law. We all make mistakes. If your channel receives the first copyright strike, you will need to complete the copyright school program. The copyright school program helps creators understand the principle of copyright and how to apply them on YouTube. In the copyright school program, there are 4 questions with several options. If your channel receives 3 copyright strikes, the following action will be taken. Your account and associate channels may be terminated. All videos uploaded from your account will be removed. You will not be able to create a new channel. Let's see how to complete the copyright school program on YouTube. To do this, go to YouTube channel and log in. After logging in, click on profile icon in the top right corner. Here click on the view your channel option. After that you will find the customize channel option. Click on it. In the left panel there is an option for the dashboard. Click on it. Below the channel dashboard you will find channel violations and the status of active copyright. Click on it. Here you will get all the detail about why your content has a copyright issue and you can check and analyze it. At the top, you will see the option for copyright school. Click on it. After that, you will see here the 4 questions that you need to answer. The first question is about purchase content use and I mark it as a false. The second question is about the use of content available on the internet and I also mark it as false. The third question is about the use of other users content and I again mark it as a false. The fourth question is about using others content without permission and I mark it as a false as well. After completing all these questions, there is an option here to check the answers. To verify if your answers are correct, click on it. As soon as you click, a message will appear saying you have successfully completed it, indicating that all your answers are correct. After that, click on the done button below. As soon as you click, the copyright school process has been successfully completed. Your strike will be removed from here within next 90 days. Now let's close it here. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and hit the bell icon to receive notification for my future uploads. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them in the comment below.